All right, now we're doing 8Q, generate range of integers. This is by XXXX88, and 93% of the people like it. We're going to implement a function named generate range, which takes 3 arguments and generates a range of integers from min to max with the step. The first integer is the minimum value, the second is the maximum of the range, and the third is the step. So basically minimum, maximum, and then, the amount of steps, I guess. We'll just keep calling it that. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 right here. All right. So to do this, we're going to be using the Array.from method. Let me show you what that is. So we're going to say Array.from. And inside of this, let me show you about this. The Array.from static method creates a new shallow copied array instance from an array-like or iterable object. See? So if we want to make an array from foo, it'll be FOO, all these in elements. From 1, 2, 3, from the array 1, 2, 3, except for we want it to be x plus x, 2, 4, 6, just like that. 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, all right? So the syntax we're going to be using is this mapping function syntax, specifically this one right here. And while we're doing that, we're going to use this as the array-like object. It's an object, and then with length, colon, and then whatever the length is going to be. So I'll show you real quick. So first we're going to say, we're going to put the curly braces up in here, and we're going to say length, and then colon. So the length for this is going to be, we're going to have to do it like this. We're going to have to say max minus min, all right, and then over step, right? So max minus min over step, but that's only going to give us one less than we need. So like in this case, 10 minus 2 is 8 divided by the steps, which is 2, it's going to give us 4. Let's test it out and make sure. See, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to need one more. So we just say plus 1. Test it out again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we've got that. So now we've got to do this map function. Let's go back up here to the syntax. Now we got to do this map function. And with this map function, we're going to say, all right, whoops, we're going to have to, let me pull up map real quick to show you which map function we're going to use. Which syntax, I mean. So the map method creates a new array populated with the results of calling a provided function on every element in the calling array. And this is the syntax we're going to use. We're going to use the element index syntax because we're not even worried about the elements since we're creating the elements ourselves. We're just worried about this index. So I'm going to put in parentheses just an underscore because it means since we're not even worried about it, and then index as the other argument. All right. And now we're going to say, with this, we're going to say, what was it? Well, the solution's down here anyway, so even if I forgot, I can just look at it. Because this is totally the solution right here. So we're going to just say min plus I. Okay, I remember why. So it's going to be min, which is the, that's going to be the initial value anyway. So min plus index times step, right? So in this first one, the first index is 0, so 0 times step will be 0, so it'll be 2. So then it's going to be the next one is going to be 1 times 2 plus 2, which is 4, and blah, blah, and so on and so forth. All right? And there we go, just like that. I don't know if I explained this well enough. It felt a little jumpy, but that's definitely how you do it. And just check it out. Just check it out if you got to wrap your mind around it. I very much liked it. My solution's best practice on this one. And we'll see you next time.